Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can download PDF file without opening in Google Chrome or browser. Let's start. Open your browser. This is a website that I want to download this file, but when I click on download, it will open the PDF file in Google Chrome, but I don't want to open or view PDF file in Chrome. I want to download it, right? So let's click on it. When I click on it, it's open the PDF file in Google Chrome, but I want to download this file. So let's start. Go to your customize button and go to setting. Now click on privacy and security and click on site settings. Scroll down and click on additional content setting. Now scroll down, click on PDF document. Now when if we click on download PDF, and we will close it again and we will try again, right? Now if we click on PDF only, and now it's downloaded in our system, right? So you can follow the simple step to download your PDF file without opening in Google Chrome or browser. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.